Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for March and it is Cohorted. This is a brand takeover box by the Danish brand Jorgobe. I think that's how you say it, Jorgobe. If you're new to Cohorted, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown about the subscription. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's in their March box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. And all links related to this box and any discount codes I can find, then I'll pop it down below in my description. So underneath this video, you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So the cost of the subscription is £39.99 and it's free shipping within the UK and they ship worldwide. Additional shipping is calculated at checkout. Cohorted works a month in advance. If you subscribe now, then your first box will be the April box, which I am really excited about this. It's fresh. It's another brand takeover box, which I'm seeing them do more and more. So maybe this is the direction in which they go in. Previously, their subscriptions used to be a mixture of different luxury beauty brands, but we're seeing more and more like brand takeover boxes, which is good. I'm excited about that. I do actually really like that because it gives a chance to actually try a couple of products from the same brand to see if you really get a feel for it and whether you go out and purchase any more from the brand. So no, I do really like that about it, but I don't know, what do you think? Maybe you might, maybe you would prefer it to go back to what it used to be. I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But yeah, so next month is fresh and I am really excited about that. So even though you're not able to subscribe this month and receive this box, you might be able to purchase a one-off box for £50. They release their monthly boxes towards the middle to the end of the month for £50. Sometimes they sell out super fast, but sometimes they don't. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking, oh, I really fancy that box, then there is a chance that you might be able to get it as a one-off box. As well as purchasing a subscription one-off box, you're able to purchase lots of other boxes on their website as well. They have limited edition boxes. They have a selection of letterbox gift boxes as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything else I've missed about this subscription, then please ask away. But let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. So inside, we always get a little card here and it tells you who's packed your box, and Jade has packed my box this month. And those are the products. And we get a little card, and to learn more about them there's a QR code there which I'll have a go now. Sometimes it doesn't work. I think I have to actually download the app. I had downloaded it. I thought I hadn't, but it goes into detail about the products inside this box, which I won't read it all out to you, but I'll give you the cost and some of the key benefits of the products. Some background information about this brand. Jorgobe is a Danish skincare brand created on a promise of clean beauty, visible results and democratic luxury. Launching with just a single product in 2010, founders Nicolas Jorgensen and Dan von Obelitz dedicated the following decade to perfecting a complete line of high-performing products. And then it goes into a lot more information on their website. Starting off, we've got a AHA Glycolic Peeling Gel. This exfoliating gel with its high concentration of glycolic acid stimulates the skin's cell renewal and reduces impurities, wrinkles and fine lines. So the skin regains its natural glow and it's left soft, smooth and rejuvenated. And there's 65 mils there. Very simple packaging, but I really like it. Very minimalist. It says apply a thin layer 2 to 3 times a week, ideally in the evening. Avoid the eye area and do not rinse off. Following the treatment, your skin will be more sensitive to UV radiation, so always use a sunscreen during the daytime. And this AHA Glycolic Peeling Gel has a retail price of £24. Next, we've got Bakuchiol Face Oil. This highly concentrated anti-aging face oil with Bakuchiol, vitamin C and powerful antioxidants boosts your skin's natural production of collagen, reduces fine lines and wrinkles and leaves your skin silky smooth. And there's 30 mils there. Again, really nice packaging. I really like it. A tiny bit. It feels lovely. So this Bakuchiol face oil retails for £34. Next up, we've got a hand cream. This is Squalene hand cream. This quickly absorbed hand cream contains plant-based squalene, panthenol vitamin B5 and organic glycerin, improves your skin's moisture balance, restores its suppleness and makes your hands silky soft. And there's 65 mils here. So it looks like. Oh, it's a nice smell. Oh, it's nice. It's very subtle. It's not heavily fragranced whatsoever. Yeah, it just feels really nice and smells really fresh. It's not a thick, creamy, intensive hand lotion or hand cream, but it does absorb really nicely into my skin and my skin feels really soft. Yeah, with a nice scent. Yeah, so this hand cream retails for £14. Next, we've got a Niacinamide Serum. The high concentration of niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, recreates the natural balance of the skin, reduces the appearance of impurities and contributes to a fresher and more even skin tone. And there's 50 mils here. And that's what it looks like. And it says, for best results, apply to clean skin every morning and evening. And it's 100% vegan and fragrance free, made in Denmark, 70% post-consumer recycled plastic. And the retail price of the Niacinamide Serum is £23. And lastly, we've got a Hyaluronic Serum. This fast absorbing serum with panthenol, which is vitamin B5, and hyaluronic acid with a low and medium molecular weight restores the skin's elasticity, reduces fine lines and enhances the skin's natural moisture balance. And there's 30 mils here. That's what it looks like there. Try a little bit. On this hand, juggling hands of these products. I need more hands. I've just applied it on top of the oil. I've only used a little bit. I can't really tell because the oil is still on my hand. This Hyaluronic Serum retails for £31. So those are all the products inside this month's Cohorted Beauty Box. It's a brand takeover box by Dutch brand Jorgobe. All the products are full size and it has a value of £121. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got an AHA Glycolic Peeling Gel. We've got a Bakuchiol face oil. We've got a Niacinamide Serum. We've got a Squalene hand cream, and lastly we've got a Hyaluronic Serum. Besides looking really smart with a minimalist packaging, I would love to hear your thoughts about this brand. If you've tried any of these products or if you've tried any other products from this brand, I'd love to hear what you think of them. And I'd love to hear what you think of Cohorted subscription in general. What brand would you like to see? I cannot wait for next month. There is a sneak peek for one item from the Fresh Beauty Box. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. You see Fresh all over, Cult Beauty, Space NK and things like that. And yeah, we're getting a box full of Fresh products. And it's a Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner with £21. Can you see there? So if you're interested in subscribing for this box, then you've got a couple of days to subscribe now, ready to get it in April. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.